I know what you're probably thinking from the title of this video. How can you call a shoe sneaker of the year when we're barely a quarter of the way into the year? Well, I said what I said, and as you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Now, as you take a look at the box, it comes in this worn style, like worn out style. Everyone should know this by now. It's like a vintage style shoe. So they made the box look like straight out of 1988 or 89, whenever the Air Jordan 3s originally released. Now let's pop open the top, and as you can see, this shoe comes with this nice little pamphlet here. This Jordan 3 pamphlet that kind of breaks down the build of the shoe, the technology, all of that. You can pause here and take a look if you want. But yeah, these are the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined that just released last week. At the time of me recording this, it's March 18th, Saturday, March 18th. These released Saturday, March 11th. So I hope everyone that wanted to get a pair was able to get a pair. I know a lot of people took L's. I took an L on the sneakers app, and I was thinking that I was gonna have to pay resale for this shoe because I was going to regardless. I was gonna get this shoe no matter what. Because, like I said, I think these are sneaker of the year in my opinion because, well, Jordan 3s are my favorite Jordan model. So, and the white cement colorway is very classic. So, and in this vintage style, I really dig them. That's why I had to get them in the collection. And as I was saying, I thought I was gonna have to pay resale, but I did take a W on Atmos, in an Atmos raffle. So that made me ecstatic. I was very happy to get a raffle W, and now I have them in hand a week later. That's why this video is coming out a week after these release. But you know, I hope everyone that, like I said, I hope everyone that wanted a pair was able to get a pair, and those that weren't able to get a pair, you know, I don't know what to say. You know, I'm sorry. Like, you know, I feel you. I took so many L's. Just keep trying. Go if you want to, you know, pay the resale. It's sitting around 300, I think, in multiple sizes, which is pretty expensive, man. But you know, I would still pull the trigger because I think these are worth it. As we take a closer look, I hope you enjoyed these little close-up looks that I'm giving you. That was the outsole. The quality on these were magnificent, man. I really like the quality. The leather was soft, it was supple. To me, is better than the fire red 3s that came out last year. Just very, very good quality in my opinion. As you take a look here at the elephant print, now this has been sort of a controversy with these shoes, is the quality control. People have been getting pairs with very inconsistent quality control, like the elephant print not matching on pairs. One will be thicker, one will be super thin. Just a whole range of different quality control issues, and that's what made me nervous. But getting my pair in hand, mine was, I would say, close to perfect. The elephant print matches on both pairs, and I didn't find any inconsistencies in the leather and all that. But yeah, that's enough of the close-up looks. Let's take a look at these on feet. Alright, now here's the Air Jordan 3 on feet, the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, I should say. And these are so dope, man. I mean, how can you take a look at these and not say these are a contender for sneaker of the year? Like, these are up there with all other shoes in my opinion. It's a classic colorway, an OG, like a reimagined take on an OG colorway, and it's beautiful, man. Air Jordan 3s, what more can I say? In terms of sizing, I would go true to size on these. I got a size 11.5. That's my true to size. I wear then all other Jordan shoes, Nike shoes, you name it, and they fit me perfectly. Comfort wise, Jordan 3s are one of the most comfortable silhouettes to me. I know a lot of people would disagree, but to me, I really enjoy Jordan 3 comfort. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on these shoes, and if you did get a pair, let me know in the comments below if you experience any QC issues, like the ones that are floating around online. I'd love to hear your guys' experience, because mine is very, you know, just normal, what you expect. I got, like I said, close to perfect shoe. So let me know your thoughts on the shoe and your experience if you copped. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Peace.